Tired of the same old houseplants? Want to add a touch of the exotic to your home? Join me as we explore unusual and striking plants perfect for indoor gardening and learn how to help them thrive. Indoor gardening is booming, but the trend is shifting from common to extraordinary. People want plants that spark conversation, add drama, and reflect their personality. In this video, we're diving into some of the most unusual and striking plants you can grow inside your home and exactly how to care for them. But not every exotic plant loves indoor life, so how do you choose? Look for plants that thrive in moderate light, tolerate humidity changes, and don't need complex care routines. First up, the string of dolphins. Yes, it really does look like a pod of tiny dolphins leaping through the air. It loves bright, indirect light and prefers dry soil. Think succulent rules here. The maranta, or prayer plant, folds its leaves at night. It's alive in ways most plants aren't. It loves humidity and filtered light, mist regularly, and avoid cold drafts. Looking for drama? The pitcher plant brings it. This carnivorous beauty thrives in high humidity and needs distilled water. No tap water here. Yes, it looks like a monkey. The Dracula Simia orchid is rare, but if you're lucky enough to get one, keep it cool, moist, and shaded, just like a mountain cloud forest. And for a sculptural statement, the staghorn fern. Mount it on a board or hang it like wall art. Mist it often and give it bright, indirect light. Want your exotic plants to thrive? Use a humidity tray. Avoid overwatering and make sure each plant gets the light it loves. Grouping tropicals together also helps create a mini ecosystem. So, which of these unusual plants would you bring into your home? Or do you already have a rare gem growing indoors? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more indoor gardening adventures.